Most free recovery tools are a trap. They let you scan for hours, then demand $100 to save your files. Don't fall for the 2 GB limit. If you want real power without the price tag, you need the industry secret. This is PhotoRec. It isn't pretty. It's a command-line beast that ignores the rules of modern operating systems. While other apps give up when a file system is raw or corrupted, PhotoRec uses data carving. It bypasses the file headers and scans the raw sectors of your disk to find the unique signatures of your lost data. It's open source, unlimited, and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's the most powerful free tool on the planet. All power. Stop paying for your own data. Download PhotoRec and take it back. Here is the clip of an actual recovery of files. You can download PhotoRec at www.cgsecurity.org/wiki/testdisk_download for free.